Yeah, we'll see if early morning competes with the evening wrestling the crabs. We went and did a pass earlier, so there was quite a bit of light still, but now the light is starting to dissipate and the sun is setting. So hopefully the crabs are gonna come out of there, come out of the sand. So anyways, we're gonna head out and put on our headlamps and see what happens. Okay, I spot one crab right here. He's right here in front of me. Here's the first one. That's the first one. Let's check him. He's not that big, but he's got a lot of barnacles on him, so we will check him. He's feisty. Come on, dude. Ooh. He almost got me. Oh, wow. What do you want to be so difficult for? I'll let you go. I'll let you go. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Right there. He is short. Okay, we'll let him go. Well, that was a crab. All right, there's one in front of me right now. Let's see if this guy's a keeper. Come on. Doesn't want to go in. It's not very big. Oh, forgot. This is with the current. It's way better. I am having a hard time with this guy. Looks like it might be the same guy that I caught earlier. Let's check him for size. Yep, just short. I could actually keep him, but that's all right. We'll let him go. Let him go. There'll be others. He's right on there, 5 3/4, but I don't want to make a mistake. All right. All right. It's nighttime, guys. It's a little harder to see because of the wake. When the wind hits the water, it creates a lot of riffle, so just gotta keep your eyes peeled for anything kind of white that moves. All right, we'll just see. All right, guys, just a little bit of an update. I've been going up and down in these eelgrass and stuff, and I haven't seen many crabs at all. So, don't know where they are. Absolutely gorgeous night. It's just beautiful. But yeah, just gonna keep on trying. All right. It's kind of eerie being out here by yourself. I've been here during the daytime, but you gotta be careful when you're out here by yourself. Never venture places where you haven't tread before. So I'm just kind of keeping, you know, the water waist high. I think it's starting to come in, but there's always something in the back of your mind out there. Just what if, you know? What if? I heard a large splash earlier behind me, and that's probably seals, but, you know, what if there's a rogue seal that will just want to play, that want to just make fun and then drag you away or something? Things of the human mind, the imagination will, you know, bring. Oh, there's a little fish right there. You see that little fish? What is that? He was attracted to the light. I think it was an anchovy or something. But yeah. Anyways, oh, there's another. There it is. Right there. Right there. What is that? It came to investigate the light. But you know, stuff like that, man. Strange creatures. There it is, right there in front of me. Right there. Just accompanying me, telling me, oh, you're going out too far, too deep. So stay in the shallows. Okay, thank you, Mr. Anchovy. The water is gonna start coming up, and you know, not to wade a little further out from shore. So just be careful when you're by yourself. So we're trying to wrestle some crabs, but haven't seen any crabs yet. It is peaceful out here. It is beautiful, peaceful. If I don't catch any crabs, I'll have to do it another day. Here's some eelgrass right here. Nothing hiding in there. Oh, here's a crab. Here's a crab. That's gonna be a tiny one. That's a crab right there, but that's a tiny one. I'll let him go. Come on, let go. All you have to do is let go. Just let go. Oh, come on now. You're not stuck. Come on, dude. There. There you go. All right, he's down to the bottom. Well, you found one, but not a keeper. All right. Go closer to the shoreline. Hey, I did catch. That was my third crab, but could have kept one. But I thought there was going to be more. Yeah, tonight's just it's perfect conditions tonight, but the crabs are not here. So we'll have to keep on trying. Oh, I spot one. I spot one. Could this be the only one? Could this be the only one that's... Oh, it's a keeper. Oops. I know this is a keeper. I know this is a keeper. Oh yeah. It's a good size one. Come here. It's probably the only one that I'm gonna get tonight, but didn't get skunk. All right, let's measure him real quick. Measure him. Oh yeah, well over. All right. We got one. We got one. There's hope. There's hope. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see that, but we got shad, piece of sausage in there left over, shad, squid, and a little bit of salami, sausage. I'm just gonna give it a try. Doesn't hurt, right? All right. Nighttime crab snaring. Let it go. All right. It is, again, maybe 4 hours, 3 hours and a half before high tide. Here we go. I don't know where it's gonna land. Oh, it's out there. Ooh, we're in the channel. It took about maybe a few seconds, like maybe 3-4 seconds for that weight to drop. So definitely, tide's coming in now. Hopefully this weight doesn't move around. All right, let's try to pull this. A little closer to the water. There he goes, nothing. Feels heavy. Don't know if I have anything, but it does feel like during the daytime it's got some weight on it, but now it's, oh, maybe I do have something. A lot of splashing over here. Oh, a rock crab. Red rock crab. That's interesting. This area is a sandy bottom, but we have red rock crabs. Look at that. Okay. Put that guy back. Something was munching on it right here, and that was probably the red rock crab. Oh, what Dungeness though. Okay, let's do one more cast. One last cast, one more soak. See if we can get a keeper or something. Keeper Dungeness. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised. There's my little brakes, just like the Sputnik weights, you know, with the little spikes that help it. That's what I did with my R&D. It helps when the current is ripping. It helps it like stay on the bottom without floating away or drifting away. So just, I'm gonna do one more cast, and we'll call it for a night. It is coming in at a pretty rapid pace, and the crabs might have a hard time like navigating and maybe just burying themselves in the sand. But let's give it a go one more time. The last pull. Good to go. Pretty light. It is pretty light. So looks like we're gonna come out empty in this spot for crab snaring at night. So we tried. They're just not here tonight. Looks like it hasn't been, yeah, bait's not been chewed on. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in this episode. Just got that one crab. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and We'll see you on a future video. All right, guys. Service unto others is the rent you pay here on earth. Be good to one another. All right, later.